Okay, it's happening. We are at Apple Park. I've got my badge. I'm going to the Apple event, and you're coming with me. Alright, we're walking inside of Apple Park. Once again, this is my first time ever inside an Apple Park. So this right here is the actual entrance where employees actually go in to work. And we're going in. Yeah, good morning. Estamos dentro de Apple Park. Estamos dentro de Apple Park. I'm officially inside of Apple Park. This feels surreal. This is a dream come true. Alright, so in this video, I want to show you exactly how it's like being at Apple Park, being at an Apple event. I'm going to try and make it as if you were coming with me. It's going to be a good event. Alright, so look what's right behind me. This right here is the Steve Jobs Theater. The top itself actually sustains all of the glass. Like, the architecture in this thing is insane. It feels so surreal to be here. It feels so surreal. Does it still feel special to you?
Oh my God.
Year after year.
Yes.
I mean, coming, yeah?
It's magical.
Yeah, it's my first time ever. So
oh my gosh.
I'm so nervous. Apart from nervous, I'm so excited.
You should be super nervous. It's so intimidating here.
Yeah?
It is a little intimidating.
Yeah?
I mean, you're at like Apple campus. Like still to this day, like I definitely get nervous.
I just met Justine. Life is good. First time
going in.
Holy crap, this is insane. Alright, so this is the inside of the Steve Jobs Theater, and it looks absolutely awesome. Like, the ceiling is absolutely insane. There's actually coffee here and a bunch of, the press just hangs out around here. Yeah, you can grab coffee, drinks, and there's actually some snacks. Let me show you. So yeah, look, there's all types of snacks, croissants, coffee, and everybody just hangs right around here.
Everyone just hanging around all around here.
Exactly. Right, Crystal.
Hello.
Such a big fan. Love your content.
Oh my God, big fan of you.
Yes. What are you most excited about today?
I mean, iPhones?
Yeah?
No, but I'm excited just to be
Everybody keeps saying that.
Yeah. I mean, how can you not?
I'm all Apple Watch.
Apple Watch.
And I know you love the new Apple Watch bands as well.
I
so,
do. You know, gotta collect them all.
Crystal doesn't collect them all in Pokemon. She just likes Apple Watch bands.
Apple Watch bands.
How many Apple Watch bands do you have?
Too.
Yeah, I know. Mine's getting out of hand.
Yeah.
Like, it's ridiculous. My girlfriend's about to kick me out of the house.
Oh no.
You know what I just realized? Like, this place, in an hour or so, all of this will be like an iPhone hands-on area. Like, this exact place. It's crazy to think about. All right, the moment, the legend himself, king of tech YouTube. Is that you?
I'll take it.
Yeah.
I'll take it.
How excited are you, man? And most hyped product of the event?
I think the watch.
Same, man.
The Pro Watch is like the biggest, newest thing. We know what the phone's kind of going to be, so yeah, the watch.
Yeah, heck yeah. That's a good answer, man.
Thanks.
All right, so it's finally happening. We're actually going down to the event. My heart is pounding like crazy. Look at all the people. This thing is like madness. Like, everybody's so excited. And that's the magic of this event. Everybody shares the same passion. Oh my gosh, there it is. Guys, good morning. Good.
Thank you.
Yes. Yes. Welcome in, guys. All I can say about this place is a dream come true. We are officially at the Steve Jobs Theater. Let the party begin. That right there is Craig Federighi. Welcome back to Apple Watch Pro is about to be released. This is it. Oh boy.
Long months of complete darkness.
Ultra is the name, not Pro. Ultra. I did not expect the design to be like pretty cool. It's time for AirPods. The 5 mini. No more iPhone 14 mini. There's so much to talk about, and now is the moment where the press and everybody goes, and us including. Right now is the time to check out everything. All the new devices are right here. Let's check them out. I'm so overhyped right now. Don't get too excited, Victor.
I'm super excited.
Oh yes.
Pro. Which one do you like?
Me too. I like the Apple Watch Ultra. That's everything I want to touch right now. It's my thing.
Yeah.
Right in front of me is the new Apple Watch Ultra. I gotta say that this new design is something that I've been waiting. I love how Apple is actually taking risks in terms of the design. I love how Apple is actually knocking on the door to Strava. I love how Apple is knocking on the door to Garmin. I mean, this is the new Garmin competitor, and I can't wait to check it out in person and actually, give it to a bunch of pros. But man, this is super, super interesting. By far, the star of the show for me. For me, it wasn't the iPhone 14 Pro. For me, it was this guy. All right, here is the new iPhone 14 Pro with its new dynamic island. The notch is gone, but we now get a new island. That's what it's called, and it's pretty useful because what Apple has done is actually take advantage of this space and actually use it for certain things. It's so useful. So this, for example, is the music, and I just tap and I go straight to the music app. This is genius. Guys, look who's right there. Oh my gosh, freaking out right now. Thank you, Tim. Thank you. All right, so bucket list checked. That I'm at the Apple event. Second bucket list check. I just took a selfie with Tim Cook, and I just talked to Tim Cook. What is life right now? I couldn't be happier right now. All right, and here are the AirPods Pro 2nd Gen. I love them. You now get this tiny thing so you can actually clip them on to your backpack or whatever. We also get speakers, which is awesome, especially for Find My purposes. AirPods Pro in terms, they look exactly the same as the previous generation with a bunch of new features, which we will of course go over in another video. Pretty cool. Okay, and that's a wrap for me in terms of the hands-on area. Now we can go up and start editing all the videos and stuff, and the visitor center is open to only the Apple event guests. So there's a bunch of food and water, I've heard, so let's go there. Man, let's say goodbye to this place. Actually, it's not a goodbye, it's a see you soon. Oh wow, what an experience. It's honestly so exhausting, so stressful, like everybody's just trying to get product. Oh wow, what an event.
Lena! Big fan. How's it going?
Good. Before I eat, even though I'm starving, I wanted to show you everything that you can buy inside of Visitor Center, like the actual merch and stuff, because this is the only store in the entire world that you can actually buy merch, t-shirts, mugs, etc. Let me show you. Yeah, so that's a bunch of merch that you can buy. You can't really go in now because there's so much people. But there's actually new, launched today, a new Apple Park shirts, which is the one that I just showed you. These ones right here. All right, so there's a bunch of food. This is amazing. There's a lot of one day. Crystal, you're taking all of my food.
I know. All the vegan
more.
Oh, you're vegan too, right? Yeah, vegan friends.
Vegan buddies.
Yes.
Yeah, I can do both. Thank you.
All right, I'm at Cafe Max. It's a must stop to get the Apple logo coffee. Look at this thing. And yes, the perfect coffee exists. It can look pretty and so, but is it actually good? It's good. Wow. Now it's yeah, it's very good. And then you see a bunch of these guys. Are you okay? You need some help, buddy?
Working.
Okay, so that's the wrap. That's a wrap on the event. That's a wrap on one of the craziest days of my life for sure. Meeting Tim Cook, meeting iJustine, meeting pretty much my idols has been a blast. The event has been a blast. Apart from the event, like the products themselves, we haven't had a keynote presentation that was honestly this good in quite some time. Like, man, iPhone 14 Pro, insanity. I was not expecting this match. Apple Watch Ultra, are you kidding me? And AirPods Pro 2nd Gen? Apple killed it with this event. Anyways, I'm actually leaving the same day of the event because my sister's getting married in 2 days and I had to fly earlier than everybody else. So I'm exhausted, but yeah. Thank you for making this happen, okay? I love you guys. Be happy. Life is good. Don't forget that dreams come true. As cliche as this sounds, if you fight hard for your dreams, once again, sounds so cliche, but it's so true. If you have a passion, go for it. Nothing can stop you. Nothing can stop. Let's go home.
I don't wanna talk of the things we've been through.